Hey party people, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Taylor, but I go by tramsue on all of my platforms. And today we are running back one of my most popular hair tutorials on my channel. I wanted to give you guys an updated version and also give you guys a different option than synthetic hair to use for your hair. This is actually human hair, and I just think it looks a lot better than the synthetic hair from before. And also, I know a lot of people may be allergic to synthetic hair, so I just wanted to come back and serve the girls as I always do. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and get right to the video. But before I do so, I do want to ask, are you subscribed? Are you a part of the Party People family? Because over here, we celebrate life every single day. And why wouldn't you want to be a part of that? Exactly. Let's get into it. Hey, Bookie! Hot braids in over 5 packs of the Afro Kinky bulk human hair in the color natural black. Along with sending the hair, they send everything that you need: a rat tail comb, a brush, an edge brush, and some clips, and also a bag. Now let's get into how this hair looks. Okay, so just hear me out. The last time I did these twists, I did it on blow dried hair, and my hair was just too silky and straight. So this time I let my hair air dry, and now we look like who did it and why. But I'm starting off with some Olaplex on my hair. I already have leave-in conditioner that I put on it last night before I let it air dry. And then we're going to get into parting. That back section y'all know is between Jesus and the disciples. So we're just going to focus on parting the front two sections. I'm applying some Shine and Jam to make sure that my part is extra straight, because it's something about that middle part being perfect that just itches something in my brain. So once we get the front two sections situated with the part being perfect, I'm going to throw them into two little buns just to make sure that they are out of the way. And I know my hair looks like a bird's nest, but I promise you it's actually really detangled, and it was very easy to manage as I was doing these twists. Now let's get back into the parting. I only had one mirror, and I just genuinely believe that if the back of your head looks decent, you're fine, because the volume of these twists will cover up any uneven parts. Although my parts did come out better, way better than the last time, because some of those middle parts were gangsta leaning the last time. One thing that I noticed really helped was the top of that rat tail comb being able to precisely part. That was a big game changer this go round, so I really appreciate that they add that into your bundle when you do buy the hair. For each twist, I'm starting off with a braid and then twisting and adding mousse as I go down, because this is naturally kinky coily hair, so mousse just makes the curls pop even more without any added weight. Now I wanted to give you a close-up so you can see how I do it. I start off using my hair as the third part of the braid, and then once I braid it down maybe 5 or 6 times, I then separate my hair into two and twist it. And I also use a clip once I end my braid to keep the twist in place, because as you twist, sometimes your hair will twist at the root, and we don't want that. As I was going through each row, I realized that I wanted chunkier twists, so I did end up adding more hair to each twist, because the chunky look just suited me better in my opinion, and because this is natural human hair, it is a lot more lightweight than synthetic hair. Also, can I get a round of applause for how crispy those back parts were? Baby, I was going in blind. Blind. Yeah, shout out to me. I'm showing you again how I am starting off each twist. I'm using Shine and Jam on the base of my natural hair, wrapping the added hair around my natural hair and starting the braid. Literally, you're just looping the added hair over your hair and starting to braid down as you would a regular plait. Once I braid down about 5 or 6 times, I then go in and add a clip so the base of my hair is not twisting, because that can cause a lot of friction and tension. And this is supposed to be a protective style, not a pull your hair out style, okay? So once I do that, I'm going to add some more Shine and Jam to the top of the twist, just so my hair blends a little bit better, because again, my hair texture does not match this hair. Once I get about halfway through the twist, I start adding mousse so that the added hair can seal together and just look a little bit more juicy and more natural. Now, I do want to point out one major difference between the human hair and the synthetic hair. The human hair is a lot more forgiving when you are twisting it. When I've done this on synthetic hair, the twist will unravel if you don't twist in the right direction. I can twist left over right or right over left with the human hair because it is just a lot more forgiving and flexible. So if you're a beginner, this hair is definitely beginner friendly. As you can see, I am 75% done and the twists are looking too good. After 6 long hours, we are finally on the last one. There is truly no better feeling. For reference, this is how much hair I use for each twist. Again, this is not the normal size for mini twist. I prefer the chunkier look and I think it suited me very well. You can definitely use a lot less hair and still have hair left over, so you can redo this style. I am repeating the same steps that I have for every single twist, and as you can see, the parts are super crispy. One thing that I will say about this hair is that it was not natural black, or maybe it was natural black, but I have jet black hair, so the hair was a little more on the brown side for me personally, but it still blends very well. It's just in direct sunlight you can tell that some of this hair is brown. So I would definitely get a darker color if you have jet black hair like I do. And also another thing that I did not add is that I did cut the ends because some of them just looked a little straggly to me. So I cut it just to make it look a little bit more full, and that is it. Oh, and one more thing. Because his hair is human hair, you can definitely dye it. I didn't do that, but you definitely can. It can be dyed and bleached without tainting the integrity of the hair. So to finish off this look, I added some more mousse and also some holding hairspray because I want this look to last me as long as possible, at least for the next 2 weeks, and just to look like I just left a salon, like I didn't do this myself, you know? I wrapped that up into my scarf and blow dried it on a cool setting, and that is how we have this hairstyle. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I think it looks super natural, and I've gotten so many compliments since I've been wearing this hair, which I'm very surprised by. But yeah, people love it, so definitely try it out and let me know if you purchase the hair because it's definitely worth it. I also have a discount code AMSU for you to get money off of your order. All the information will be in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it looks super natural, and I do think it came out better this second time than the first time. Maybe it's just because I have more experience now, or maybe it is the hair. I highly recommend you get the hair. I did end up using 4 packs instead of 5 packs of hair, so hopefully that gives you a good idea of how many packs you'll need. I did do mine a bit chunkier this time just so my hair can blend a little bit better, but that's just me personally, and I just didn't want to do the work of very small twist. Then nobody got time for that. I already spent 6 hours doing this hair. I don't have another minute in me. I hope you enjoyed this video and try this out for yourself. If you do, please let me know in the comments. I love hearing your reviews. I'm not going to hold you any longer than I already have. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see me style these, I'll be styling them on Instagram and TikTok, so make sure you're following me over there. And that is it. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment how you feel in the comment section below, and always stay prayed up, stay motivated, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.